We are going to be reviewing the Oraimo Freepods 4. This is Oraimo's latest earpods, and at the time of posting this video, the earpod designs are available for public purchase. And keep an eye on the pinned comments below. I'll keep updating it once it's out. The Oraimo Freepods 4 is modeled OEB E10 5D. I made use of this earpod for 3 days, and I must say it's worth every penny Oraimo chose at it. The Oraimo Freepods 4 is an upgrade in the Freepods series. The device comes with Bluetooth version 5.2, wireless range of 10 meters, playtime of up to 8 hours, and the charging case can last up to 27 hours. The charging case takes approximately 2 hours to get full. Better for you to enjoy the Oraimo earpod, it's required for you to install the Oraimo Sound app on your smartphone. Inside the box, we are greeted with the Oraimo Freepods 4 itself. Then opening the compartment close to the edge of the box, you find the short Oraimo charger, which is Type-C, followed by the extra tips. At the bottom of the box, you will find the Oraimo user manual. I advise you go through the manual before using the earpods, and please don't forget to charge it before using it for the first time. Now, coming to the Freepods 4 earpods, it has half orange design, and inside the half orange you find the earpods. I must say Oraimo did a good job with the design, and it's top notch. I would say the design is easy to use, and the contact pin for charging the earpods are well placed, and you won't encounter any charging issues in the future. The earpods itself has a nice black and white design. Oraimo helped us identify the multifunction touch sensor with a black round button on the earpod, as you can see. In order to connect the earpods, you need to slide the case, then turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Controlling the earpod is easy, and I will ignore it since it's mentioned in the user manual. Remember, to enjoy more features from the earpod, install the Oraimo Sound app. This will help you turn on and off sound control mode, set equalizer, and earpods control like volume on a particular earpod. One of the standout features on the Oraimo Freepod 4 earpods is their noise. The standard features of the Oraimo Freepods 4 earpod is their active noise cancellation technology. This effectively blocks out background noises so you can focus on your music or phone call. It's like having your own personal sound bubble. Tell me something you love about this earpod in the comment section below. Testing the earpod, I enjoyed quality music with good bass, and I was amazed. I couldn't even hear a single background noise without listening to the music, and while I was listening to the music, it was as if I was in my own zone without any disturbance. Please try to maintain good volume to hear car horns when they pass. I also made use of the earpods in calling few of my friends and joining meetings, and they all heard me properly. If you are a gamer looking to purchase a budget earpod, then you should consider the Oraimo Freepods 4. And also, if you loved being in your own zone just like me, you should consider it too. In conclusion, the Oraimo Freepods 4 earpods are a good option for anyone who wants high quality sound in a compact and convenient package with features like active noise cancellation, touch controls, long battery life. They are definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.